Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to change the Spotify skin. In this tutorial I will show you some of my Spotify skins that I've created and also how to apply them. I posted some useful links in the video description, and the first link leads you right away to the Spotify community forum, where I've also posted this tutorial. So it's a great place to read it after you've watch this video, and if you have any questions, just post in here and I will try to reply quickly. So this tutorial also features the download links, which you need of course, and as you can see there is a version coming to this download links, and this means you have to have the same Spotify version than the download links have. So how can you find out which version do you have? That's easy. You just open Spotify and click on Help in the top left menu. Then you go About Spotify and you can see it's the same version as the download links. In some countries it may be different, the actual version, because Spotify has some other versions there, but most of you should have the same versions as I have in the download links. So after this you can download them, any skin you like. Just click on download and download it from Mediafire. In this case, I've already done this and they're all here on my desktop. After you've downloaded them, those are zip files, so you need to unzip them into new folders to work with them. So I've done this here and they're ready to work with. After this, you have to locate a special file that we need to change. And I've also gave you the path in the video description, but I will write it down once again. So percentage app data, another percentage, backslash Spotify, another backslash data, and you click on enter. So you get redirected to the Spotify data folder in the app data. And this is the place where we have to be, because here is the resources file which we need to change. In this file, Spotify stores all the important skin features. So what we have to do now is, well, decide on a skin we want to apply. If you say you want to have the green skin, then you open the green one and click on it, and you can see there's also a resources file right in there, but it's the changed one with green bitmaps and green colors. So before you have to change it, you have to close Spotify. Otherwise you would encounter an error message. So we all know that the close button in Spotify doesn't really help to close it, so you have to manually close it in the taskbar also. So just click it and exit. Okay, so now we can start, and by right clicking the change resources file of the download folder and drag it all the way to the app, to the data folder of Spotify. Release it, and it says in German, copy here. That's what we click, and the pop-up says copy and replace. So we click that, and now this file has replaced the actual old one and is the same one as this. So this is it already, and we can restart Spotify. As you can see, the data has applied and we have a green Spotify skin now. So as you can see, it's all pretty green. If you say you don't like green and you want to have something else, then exit Spotify again and maybe try the blue one. Same as before, click it and there's the change blue resources file. You drag it with the right mouse button over to the data folder, release it, copy and replace. And open Spotify again and you should have a blue one. Here it is. As you can see, it's all blue. So, but if you say you want to have your original gray one back, fair enough. I've put in each download folder, I've put the original backup file in it. So if you want to have it back, it's easy. Just open the subfolder and drag it again with the right mouse button, copy here, copy and replace, and you should have your old skin back. Yes, well, it's gray and boring, but if you want to have it back, fine with me. But I will change to my favorite skin, which is the Noble Black Scheme. Is As you can see, it's easy. I've just changed all the skins in a few minutes. Copy here, copy and replace, and restart it. And I have my favorite skin back. It's the black one. So as you can see, it's all pretty black. You can also change skins to your liking. If you want to make a yellow one or a pink one or whatever, you can also do this. I have posted another tutorial under this post how to create your very own skin. So this is also an opportunity for you to create your very own Spotify skin. Takes a bit of time, but it's definitely worth it. So for people who say, yeah, well, we want to apply one of your skins, but we don't have the right version, I have also added the change bitmaps. So those are all the bitmaps that I have changed, and also an instruction on how to do that manually. Because if you have the wrong version and you just replace the resources file, you might not really enjoy it because sidebar descriptions might be wrong and Spotify will still run, but you won't really enjoy it. So make sure you have the right version. If you have the right version, simple, drag it over there. That's it. So I've also added a Spotify skin gallery topic, so you can see some of the screenshots of the skins and also the download section again. And last but not least, there's an idea in the Spotify community forum about customizing Spotify skins. And so if you want to have an official skin changer in your Spotify, then please add some kudos here and maybe also a comment so that the developers see that this is an important issue. Okay, so I hope I could help you a bit on how to change the Spotify skin. Um, have fun and enjoy the new skins. Goodbye.